Hey there YouTubers, today I'd like to show you my Ford Mustang GT. It's a 2005, has a few things already done to it from the previous owner. 142,000 clicks on it. I really like what he did with the grille there. It's exactly what I would have done. Blacked out the lights. It's got black interior, leather. This is the GT Premium. He also has aftermarket rims on there. They're 18s, 275s in the rear, 255s in the front. So I'm very happy with them. It needs new rubber though, they're pretty low. Yeah, it's got a Shaker 1000 sound system. I'll start it up. I really like the way they made the interior. It's actually like pretty classic. Like those gauges. It's got solid power all the way. Pretty linear power. So yeah, I could upgrade the deck because it doesn't have an iPod jack, but it's got plays CDs at least. Aftermarket shift knob. Probably gonna upgrade that to a Hurst short shifter eventually, but it is a very nice feeling shifter for a stock shifter. Feels really nice. Yeah, so far not really any rattling or anything. The headspace in the back, it's okay. Like as long as you're like 5'10" or shorter, you'll fit no problem, but your legs will be pretty squeezed behind the chairs. That's the issue. So yeah, I do like the interior. I'll open up the trunk. Actually, I'll open up the hood first. I'll need to put this down. So there it is, really clean engine bay. Got an aftermarket cold air intake. The car's Bama tuned. It's got a street tune. There's a few things I want to do to this car. If you're interested in what I'm going to be doing to it, you can read the description. I'll have a few things down there, but I'm not going to go too far into detail here. He put in a front strut stabilizer bar, so that's good. Quite a bit of room actually in this engine bay. That's impressive. So running clean. My 280ZX. Show you the big double sub in the back. Really good sound system. That's stock, amazingly. So, yeah, I'll attach a little clip of some exhaust revs for you, and I hope you guys like it. I know a lot of you guys are probably pretty surprised because I'm really into the Japanese car thing, but one thing some of you don't know is that I've always loved muscle cars. Probably just as much. In fact, classic muscle cars I like more. There's just something about them when you get in them. It's just, I don't know, I get more excited about it. They have torque and serious power. It's not going to be very efficient power, but it's going to be more fun than the Japanese cars, basically. If you just want to have fun with this car, actually, when I was driving it home from work the other day, I was just going around a corner at the speed I usually do with the Datsun, just daily driving. It took the corner fine, then I touched the gas a bit, and the rear broke loose, and I was drifting out of that corner, and I was just amazed that it could break loose with those fat tires. So you got to be careful with these things. That's why they're called, there's all those memes about them killing people, because it's not that hard to accidentally run into a crowd of people with these. and those aren't stock tires. So anyway, my Datsun can easily hit corners hard on the gas, and it's really hard to break loose with that car. I have aftermarket rims and tires on that one too, but you know, I'm really happy with this car. I was intending on driving it year round at first, but once driving it, then I just fell in love with it, and it's going to be my summer car. The Datsun also, I don't want to drive it in winter because I really love it, and it would rust if I drove it in winter, but see what I can do. I might have to get a winter beater. But yeah, there'll be more videos. I'll be doing lots of upgrades, so stay tuned for that, and hope you guys like it.